Okay, so let's see where we are today. We open and rallied straight up like 35 points range for initial balance. What we need to see here is a bigger picture, and if we can hold this point of control of previous weeks, which coincide with this week's high and this point of control, if this holds, then perhaps we should see grinding higher towards the hundreds. Of course, we need to see if it breaks out previous week's highs in order to go there, see what it does there, if it holds and goes further up towards 11,000, or if this proves to be a good short opportunity. Price keeps trending higher and higher here before the cash open. We need to see if this can continue and hold above the high and then go, or if this is gonna have any kind of pullback first. Price approaching previous week's highs here. Need to see if it will spike straight up and hold above. If it holds, looking for 800s. Okay, so price testing out the highs here. We need to see if it flashes straight up and what it will do here. If then it will hold above and gradually grind higher towards 800s. I got long here and will to scale out on a further upside. Second scale out here, grinding higher and higher. We need to see if this goes up to 800s here, which is the summer highs here, if we have further upside spike. Further upside here, grinding higher and higher. Need to see key level 800s if we flash above. Scale out further the position here, great entry, 3 profit targets here. Need to see if we flash above 800s. So price making new highs here. I bought again here, scale out here, willing to scale out further on a spike above 800s. There it is, straight up. Important area here, testing August, this summer's highs. Need to see if it holds, then grind towards 11,000. Just flatten the position here. You can see price trading below 800s. Need to see if this is going to hold or if it's just going to have further upside towards the turn of the first hour of cash trading. Okay, so grinded higher and higher for 2 hours since the opening here, then breakout here of previous week's highs, breakout of 800s. Now we need to see if this retest would give us any kind of pullback towards volume weight average price and then see further upside. This is 100% exhaustion here. A nice idea would be to see this kind of a pullback and a hold above previous week's highs here, which the breakout happened, and then a continuation. So looking around 750s area, a pullback. If we manage to go short, of course I will look to scale out there and then look if any opportunity to go long there. Price held resistance here at close to day's high here, although the problem with this low volume trading is you cannot see like a spike like this and then immediately reverse straight down. It goes slowly and slowly. It's difficult to initiate a trade unless you just be able to click. Of course, we need to see now if this can hold and give us a pullback towards the midpoint of the first hour of cash trading range here. Also need to see spike going below 215 in order to fill this kind of gap. This on the 30-minute here, we can see here support at the lows here and generally fail to go below every little pullback here, then immediately got bought. Now we're going to see if this can get bought as well and drive higher. Some kind of divergence here, the index is lower while Nasdaq held a little bit higher. If we see a further push of Nasdaq lower, then we see a blip down on DAX. Scale out the short position from here. Need to see how further downside price can trade. Nice area to watch is this value area low, and if it goes below here to balance within this breakout area. Second scale out of the position here, price ripping towards the downside. We can see this previous idea if price can pull back and what it does at this 750 area previous week's highs if it holds for a continuation. Also need to watch initial balance high here, this level, what it does is coincides with previous week's highs stocked earlier. This level here, this could be great long opportunity down here if price can go at 750s. So basically looking for this kind of scenario. Also it's nice to see the correlation here of nice tick index when it sells at extremes minus 800, minus 1000, this tail down here if you can see, if you are able to see. And this is the same time as the DAX flashed down here and which held this kind of low. So it's nice to use this, for example, if shorted here as I did, nice to use this as a scaling out parameter, let's say, because after this just bounced like 10 points. And sometimes it's nice to watch this correlation basically. So flatten the position here, and as soon as I flatten price went lower, I need to see if it goes down even lower towards initial balance high at the European cash flow. If you want to join the live sessions I do for the European cash trading session every day on DAX, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click on the pin to it here at this link. At this link here, this will prompt you to a PayPal service in order to subscribe and get the password for the live screen sharing trading room for 19 euros a month. Of course, this is a monthly subscription once a month. You can just click log in here and then you will able to purchase this option. Of course, you can cancel free at any time and contact me if you wish so.